Thank you very much, guys, for joining me on this YouTube channel. I really appreciate your love and support. Let's dive into the topic. So today I'm going to talk about the reel which I've did on Instagram. I made this painting and it was an acrylic painting on canvas. This is my second time. Before this, I made a painting on Oppenheimer because I was moved by that film. It's a masterpiece. Regarding Joker, so initially, when the first part came in, I was flattered by the masterpiece they have created. Everything was on point. Lighting, color grading, storyboard, acting, everything was on point of that movie. So I already got inspired by it. Since then, I wanted to paint the poster. So I waited for the second part of it, and that's how I made this painting. I really like the color combination they had in this movie, rich turquoise color. I was really into that color because now it becomes one of my favorite color. Like I have everything turquoise. And talking about the Instagram reel, used all the equipments I had. Like I am a very big fan of using the resources you have. Like you can easily go and purchase a lot of gadgets, gear. Using whatever you have is the best thing you can do in today's world because we invest a lot of things, and sometimes when we invest we tend to lose our interest in it. I used my projector, which is right there. My whole idea was to show this video as a stage performance with a spotlight, as they shown it in the movie. I got inspired from that, and that's how I thought about creating this video. I was shooting on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I really believe that this is the best camera out there. It's the greatest computer in our pockets. Using whatever you have is very challenging, and I really like to accept the challenge and do whatever you can in that circumstances. I shot this video. It was very difficult because of the low light. I shot on log, and then I color graded according to the same color palette as movie. I tried my best, and I'm really happy with it. So as you know that this painting was made before, I wasn't painting at the time of making that video. I think it took me 2 to 3 days to make this painting. Later on, I decided to make a reel on it, and that's how I started working on this concept, like how I'm gonna shoot it, what props do I need. I did that before also, like when I was shooting for Oppenheimer. I used a blank canvas, and then I was acting as if I'm painting. I did the same for this time, but the problem this time I got is that I ordered the smaller canvas by mistake, and at the time of shooting I realized that I messed it up. I had to use the same Oppenheimer's canvas which I used before, and there was this paint on it, the black color paint. So I had to repaint it with the turquoise color which we used. And after that I was brainstorming a lot. I was thinking like, how do I fix this, because there's already a paint on it and I also painted over it. So it was very difficult. But then I thought about one thing. I used a wine glass, which wasn't even a wine actually. It was a Vimto, the fruit juice. So I used that, wine glass as a prop just to hide the canvas which was already, painted in different colors. Just to, divert the attention of the people from that canvas, but also at the same time it's there at the background, and divert their attention to the wine. They will think that, oh, okay, he's having fun, okay, he's painting, and also at the same time he is having fun with it. So it went really well with each other. So sipping wine and painting, I did this. I actually tried to match the same cinematography as the movie because I was mind blown by the way they did the cinematography for Joker. As you must have seen the scene where the Lady Gaga drews a smile on a glass, and then Joaquin Phoenix aligns to that smile, and then he smiles. It was mind blown. Like I was completely moved by that scene. No way I'm gonna do this. I want to achieve that. I want to do in some ways, I know that this is a very big production film. A lot of teams and a lot of creative peoples are involved in it, but I don't care. Like I'm gonna do it in my way. That's how I got inspired by it, and then I thought about creating a frame in such a way that you will see the painting and also you will see a glass of wine, because as I was using it as a prop. So I painted, on glass of wine, and I set up a camera in such a in certain angle, and then I played with the depth of field. And yeah, it was really fun to do so. That's how I made this wine glass as a prop, and but at the same time using it in such a way that it looks like cinematic. Now let's talk about color tone. So I used all the same colors which was used in the movie. I try to match as much as I can, like even with the thumbnails and like the reel itself, the painting. So I try to match everything, like the fonts, because I really wanted to resonate with it. I really wanted to give tribute to this masterpiece. This movie is an art for me. I mean, no matter how the storyline went at the time of the climax, I really like the filmmaking craft in it. I always get inspired by movies, and that's how I create, paintings just to express myself. Like, I think art is all about expressing yourself in some ways. Like, some people sing, some people dance, some people, paint. So art is like an expression. At the time of Oppenheimer, really inspired by that movie. I watched it like more than 8 times or something. I started, painting that poster of Oppenheimer. It was a really fun and it was really nice experience. So let's talk about the song. Song I choose the That's Life. It's really one of my favorite song by Frank Sinatra. I love that singer a lot. He's really good with lyrics and also like a mood. He have different songs for different moods. So it's really a nice song, and they used it also in the movie. So I wanted to use this song. I like to try new things, to be honest. Like if you look at my Instagram profile, I have tried bunch of creative and even non-creative reels. I like to experiment a lot because it's fun, it's creative, it's something new. You always get excited to do it, and I really like that feeling, and I feel everybody should try more. We always tend to focus on the results. We always try to become result oriented. I know that that is also important, but I feel that the journey is more important than the destination. I think that's all. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.